Now onto coverage with Radiant Cushion Foundation Natural. A rich moisture gel combines coverage, hydration and lasting power. Press the puff against the mesh 2 to 3 times. Work on one side of the face at a time. Lightly press and pat, starting from the center of the cheek. Cover the larger areas of the face. Then blend the precision areas under the eyes and around the nose and mouth. Where more coverage is needed, pick up more foundation and add light layers. Repeat on the other side of the face. You can also apply with a brush. See the portable brush video for more details. Creates a naturally radiant finish with weightless 16-hour wear. When finished, buff away any excess foundation and close the inner and outer lids of the cushion compact to keep it from drying out. For more how-tos and inspiration, subscribe to the official Clé de Peau Beauté YouTube channel.